One of them is just to poke it, because we put the onion there and the onion is tight, so you can just lift it on your knife and let the fat drip out and wait a moment. Because it's all, whoever designed it thought about it before. So for a reason they put a half an onion that you can poke the half an onion and just lift your chicken in the air and then you can transfer it safely into your cutting board. And it is tender. Yeah. So you have the nice potato and everything, so we're just gonna... don't play with the tray, because there is a lot of fat, there is a lot of salt, there is liquid on... As you see, I put the tray in an angle, because what happened right now on my tray, the liquids are coming to the end of the tray, and I very easily... Because when you want to remove everything, you will remove a lot of crap, sorry that I'm saying it, from the tray that doesn't need to be on your plate when you're serving it. Again, if you remember how we tie the chicken, so it's going to be very easy to remember how to take off the rope. So we have this part here that we left. So you're taking off the... and you want to just work around it. You don't want to pull anything, you don't want to force anything on anything. Now we don't worry about the... don't worry about the part that we... of the... of the breast, because we made it tight, so it's going to hold anyhow. So you want to gently just take the legs. I don't know if I wonder if you see, because if you leave the rope, it's very easy to carve. If the rope is on there, it's holding the part that you don't need to cut. So you can just with your knife. Now there is a good chance the chicken is not even ready, because it needs to rest anyhow. So again, if the rope is on, I don't know if you can see here, but the skin is pulled. And when the skin is pulled, you can cut, and then your breast will stay nicely with the skin. You will not serve like a half schmoozed skin on your breast, because it's holding the skin like a little shirt. So you want to go just straight with the bone. Without any, don't pressure it, and try to get a knife that looks like that shape. Okay, let's make it so simple. Yeah, and then all you need to do is to gently push it down. That's it. I don't know if you see the juice that coming out. I see it, it's better. So all what you want to do is to just push it gently with your knife. Don't crack, don't push. Just lower it to be straight. And all what you need to open is the bottom part where the tooth is. That's all where you need to put your knife in, and that's it after that. And then you want to turn around and do the same thing from the other side. You just want to gently push it with your knife. You don't want to crack the bones, you don't want to knock it down, you definitely don't want to hurt it. It's such a nice chicken.
How long does it need to be ready?
Huh?
How long in the oven? An hour?
The chicken was an hour in the oven. For 55 minutes, if I counted correctly. Now when you get to this part, it's very simple because everything is open in front of you and you can see. The idea is to see what you're cutting, because there is a connected bone here, and I don't know how I can show it to you. Because I really want you to do